Imagine a storage device so compact and efficient that just 1 gram of it could hold over 215 million gigabytes of data. This isn't the stuff of science fiction. It's the astonishing reality of DNA, nature's ultimate information storage medium. Scientists have long admired DNA for its ability to preserve and transfer the blueprints of life across generations. But only recently have we begun to truly understand just how much information this biological molecule can store. To put things into perspective, 1 single gram of DNA is capable of storing up to 215 petabytes of data. That's the equivalent of 215 million gigabytes, or about 45 million DVDs. It's hard to fathom such capacity. For comparison, the total amount of digital data generated worldwide in 2020 was estimated at 40 zettabytes. Remarkably, that immense volume of information could, in theory, be stored in just a few kilograms of DNA. This makes DNA not only the densest known storage medium, but also a contender for transforming the way we think about archiving data in the future. But how does DNA manage this incredible feat? The secret lies in its structure. DNA encodes information using a sequence of just 4 chemical bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, guanine, G, and cytosine, C. Think of it as a natural code, similar to the binary code of computers. But instead of zeros and ones, DNA uses 4 distinct characters. This quaternary system dramatically increases the amount of data that can be stored in a given space compared to binary. Not only that, DNA is remarkably stable. Under the right conditions, it can last for thousands of years, far outliving any current digital storage technology. Let's zoom in to the microscopic level. Every human cell contains about 3 billion base pairs of DNA. If you were to compress all that information, it would amount to roughly 750 megabytes per cell, or about 1.5 gigabytes uncompressed. Multiply that by the estimated 37 trillion cells in the human body, and you have a staggering amount of information, even though most of it is identical from cell to cell. This redundancy is what ensures the stability and consistency of our genetic code across our entire being. The applications of DNA storage extend far beyond biology and medicine. Today, leading research institutions and technology companies, including Microsoft, Harvard, and innovative startups like Twist Bioscience, are racing to harness the power of DNA for digital data storage. Already, researchers have encoded songs, images, and even entire movies onto strands of synthetic DNA. These experiments have proven that DNA can faithfully preserve and retrieve digital information, opening the door to revolutionary new methods of archiving humanity's knowledge and culture. Why does DNA matter in the digital age? As our world generates more and more data, the need for efficient, long-lasting storage solutions becomes critical. Traditional hard drives and magnetic tapes degrade over time and require significant space and energy. DNA, in contrast, is compact, energy efficient, and incredibly durable. In a future where information is the lifeblood of society, DNA could serve as our ultimate digital vault. In summary, just 1 gram of DNA can store an unfathomable 215 million gigabytes of data, making it the smallest, most efficient storage medium known to science. From preserving the secrets of life to potentially safeguarding the sum of human knowledge, DNA's capacity for information storage is nothing short of extraordinary. As research and technology advance, DNA may well become the key to unlocking a new era of data preservation, ensuring that our collective memory endures for generations to come.